guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katrice, also known as Ebs, also known as Ebony, and today we're going to be showing you how I got this date night makeup look. I'm not actually going on a date, but I also show you my outfit that I would wear on a date night if I was to go on a date. So if you want to continue to watch this video, just keep watching. We're gonna get into it, but first don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're new, girl, you're already here, so might as well subscribe. And now we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Alright you guys, so it's gonna be a voiceover today. We started out with our eyebrows and our concealer on our eyes, and then I did some translucent powder on my face. It's from Airspun. It is a drugstore product you can get from Walmart or beauty supply store, wherever. And then I did pat it in with a flat makeup brush. And I'm going to take that color Jenna from the Warrior palette, and I'm going to focus that red color all over the crease of my eye and a little bit towards the highlight of my brow bone, and I'm gonna bring it in towards the middle of my eye and just fan it out in windshield wiper motions on both eyes. And then next I'm gonna take the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to be using that brown color. I'm not sure of the name, I'll have it in the description box below, but I'm going to put that on my eyelid and blend it in with the higher parts of that red that I put on my eyeshadow, or on my eyelid rather. And then I'm going to also take a golden color and I'm going to put it right on top of that on the actual eyelid. I'm not going to spread it up high like the other tan color. I'm just going to place it directly on my eyelid. Alright, next I'm taking that dark brown shade at the top, and I'm going to focus that more so directly in my crease and a little bit on the corner of my eyelid, just so I can smoke it out a little bit, make it a little bit more intense, a little bit darker, and that'll kind of blend in the colors together. And once I finish putting that in, I'm also going to take the red eyeshadow brush that I used before and the tan eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna bring those colors back out by going over those same lines and blending them in with the leftover product from the brushes. Alright, here I'm just wiping off the excess eyeshadow that dropped down from my eyelid, and then I'm going to put on my eyeliner using my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm going to wing it out. And then next I do apply a coat of mascara on my top lashes just to bring my lashes back out. It's not an actual coat that I'm going to use to just wear for a makeup look, but it's for whenever I put on my lashes. And now I'm using the Makiage and the Fit Me foundation rather. I'm using those two foundations, mixing them together, and that is going to be my foundation shade for this makeup look. Alright, so next I'm using the Makiage F Flawless Concealer, and I'm going to put it all in my T area, so under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, underneath my contour, and on my cupid's bow, and eventually my chin. Now I'm taking that same beauty blender that I used to blend out my foundation, and I'm blending out my concealer all over. I'm actually blending out the concealer and the contour. I didn't show the product that I used for the contour, but it will be in the description box below. Alright, so now I'm taking one of my e.l.f. angled brushes and I'm going to be using the eyeshadow that I use for the crease of my eyebrows, and I'm going to contour my face. I usually do use a contour powder, but I didn't have any at the time, so I'm just making do with what I have. It all works the same. And I'm going to use this True Complexion palette to highlight or press in some highlight into the T zone of my face. And then I'm going to take my black Opal powder and I'm going to use that to bake in that same area in all the places where I highlighted. Alright, so now is lash time. I am using the Style 121 in a 3D collection. I don't remember the name of the actual brand, but it will be in the description box below. And I'm just going to blow the liner or the glue that I'm putting on there. Y'all gonna see how many times it takes for me to actually put the lashes on. This take 2. Take 3. Try again for the 4th time. Try it again for the 5th time. I can't count. And the 6th time. Finally was able to get it on. So once I get it on in place, I do just press it down with my fingers, push it into my eyelid, and then I also take my tweezers and I squeeze them against my actual lashes so that they are flush to my face and they look pretty natural. As you see, I finally got them on. I was so frustrated with trying so many times. Alright, and I'm taking that same brush I used earlier and I'm just gonna brush away all of the baking that I did. And then next I'm going to be using the 10 color blush palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use that top pink color and I'm going to just lightly press it into my cheekbones. I don't put too much. I used to wear much more, but today I'm just doing a light color. And then I'm going to actually fill in my bottom lash line with the same color that I used on my eyelids, and I'm just going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes as well. So after I finish putting on the eyeshadow on my bottom lid, I am going to set my face with this finishing spray that I get from the beauty supply store. Again, I have the name of the brand in the description box below, and I'm just going to fan my face with that same palette that I used. And again, I'm just going to add that mascara to my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to highlight using that same True Complexion palette, and I'm going to use that highlighter color, and I'm going to highlight my T-zone. I do over highlight my face, because when I do line my lips, as you see here, it'll cover the parts that actually touch my lip. But I'm using a dark brown lip liner, and then I'm going to go over that lip liner with a red matte lipstick. I absolutely love the lipstick that I use because it is very moisturizing, but it does stay matte, and and it's long lasting too. It doesn't really wear off as much. Alright, so for the outfit, I am actually wearing a sweater dress with some boots that I received as a gift for Christmas. They came from Forever 21. They're more of a fur, not fur, but maybe like a suede material. And I have this purse that I got from Shein.com. I showed you in my last haul. And this necklace, I actually got it from the beauty supply store, and the earrings probably from the beauty supply store. And that is the outfit. Alright you guys, so thank you for watching my Get Ready With Me date night. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can be notified the next time that I post a new video, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. I try to. Every Tuesday and Thursday, vlogs and content videos. And again, I'll see you guys in the next video.